Hello everyone, this is Ginger with Gingerberry Creek, and today's tutorial is going to be about attaching the head unit to the body unit for this pattern, which is called Winter Warming number 368. So we make a head, and then we make a body, and then we join the two. So this tutorial is going to be on how to put those two pieces together to make a complete body. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go ahead and put your body pieces together and get them sewn up. And then you'll also need to go ahead and have your head, snowman head, ready as well. So, and you're going to need some kind of straight pins to do this process. So first thing is you're going to have your body, and it's going to stay wrong side out. So you're going to see all the seams. So leave the body wrong side out. For the head part, what you're going to need to do is go ahead and turn this right side out first. And then the next thing on this particular pattern that you should do is to mark the section that is the front. So I put a little X on here. This is the front, because this front part of the snowman head needs to line up with the front part of the body. So there are two pieces that make up the sides and back of the body, and the head is the same way. It's got this front panel, and then it's got two pieces that make up the sides and the back of the snowman head. And then these would be the darts that you did on the pattern. So leave the body wrong side out, turn the head right side out. Excuse me. And then what you're going to want to do, go ahead and mark this section of the head that is the front. And then it's going to align with this part of the body. So you're going to go ahead and take the head and stick it down into the body, just like this. And then you're going to align the edges. So as you can see, these are now the two right sides are together on the inside. So align the top edges here, and then what should happen is the seams, so these side seams should match up, which I'm going to go ahead and pin right here. And this seam matches up, and these two seams should match up or get as close as possible. I'm going to go ahead and pin this one. And then what I do is I like to do the back. So this is the back seam of the body, and then this seam is the part of the head. So these two need to line up. So we put those two together, and I go ahead and pin as well. And then what you might want to do is go ahead and, these are the darts in the head and the body. So go ahead and line those up and pin. And the other side. So here's the other side. So bring the edges together up at the top here and make sure that those seams right there come together, and then pin those. All right, so once you have that done and it's pinned, so it's down inside, what you're going to do is this back seam here, we're going to leave an opening back here. So you're going to want to take your heat erasable ink pen and go ahead, and it's about, let's see, you can do about 1/4 inch to, I'd say, 5/8 inch there, so that you leave kind of about a 1 3/4 to a 2-inch opening. So that's why I do it inside the dart seams. So, and then what we're going to do is you're going to sew from one of the marks all the way around the front and to this other marked area. You're going to start on this one and stop on this one, leaving this open. And that's how we'll turn it right side out. And then that's where you'd stuff it and everything from that opening. And then that opening will be closed by hand. So I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and go ahead and sew, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and sewed completely around between those two marks that I made. So that one and that one. And now I'm just going to go ahead and clip my threads here, and then we'll turn these, turn this whole thing right side out. So what next, you'd kind of just pull the head up out of the body, just like this. And here's where we have our opening for turning, and this is also where we'll kind of stuff and everything. So first thing I do is go ahead and get the head turned right side out. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and do the body. There we go. So here's our unit, our complete body unit. So at this point, you would just go ahead and finish pushing out all the edges and seams. This, if it's there, you can get rid of that with a warm iron, or you can not mess with it because it's going to get covered with a scarf anyway. So then you would just go ahead and finish the pattern from there by adding the poly pellets and then stuff it. And then you would bring these edges together and whip stitch that opening closed. So that is how you attach the snowman head to the snowman body. I hope that it's been helpful, and that you please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.